In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule, send, and receive in Microsoft Outlook. If you want Outlook to check for new emails and send out messages on a regular rhythm without you having to do anything, setting up a schedule is the way to go. It's especially helpful if you like predictable updates, you're managing multiple accounts, or you want to balance network use and battery life. Start with Outlook open on your computer. Look to the top left and click File to open the Backstage view. From there, choose Options to open the Outlook Options window. In the list on the left, select Advanced. This area controls how Outlook behaves behind the scenes. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Send and Receive. This is where you define how often Outlook reaches out to your mail servers. Click the button that says Send, Receive to open the Send, Receive Groups dialog. At the top, you'll see Settings for Group, All Accounts. That group usually includes every email account you've added to Outlook, so any schedule you set here will apply across the board. Check the box that says, Schedule an automatic send/receive every. This tells Outlook to run a sync on a timer. In the Minutes field next to it, enter how frequently you want Outlook to check. A common choice is 5 to 10 minutes. 5 keeps your inbox feeling fresh without being too chatty on the network, while 10 or 15 can reduce background activity if you're on a laptop or a metered connection. You can adjust this number anytime later if your needs change. When you're happy with the interval, click Close to leave the Send/Receive Groups window, then click OK in the Outlook Options window to save everything. From now on, Outlook will automatically check for new messages and send any messages in your outbox at the exact interval you set. If you work with Exchange or certain IMAP accounts that already push mail in real time, this schedule serves as a helpful backstop. And if you ever need an immediate update between intervals, you can still trigger a manual send and receive from the ribbon. That's all there is to it. You've configured Outlook to send and receive on a reliable schedule, giving you consistent updates without constant clicking. If your workflow changes, just revisit File, Options, Advanced, and tweak the interval. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more predictable inbox.